Julia, just dance for a sec. No. I am. So, everybody, how are you today? Good. I know we're awesome. Oh, yeah. And you know who else is awesome? And my friend Kayla. And you know what else is awesome? Our handshake. I'm Julia, get over for a second. Okay. Watch this. Hey guys! Sex and guns is so intense and sexy. It's true. Oh yeah, me and Kayla are awesome. And our other awesome. I know. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, you're going in a minute. And our other awesome handshake we have for you guys is this. It's from Zoe 101. LU Zoe 101 fans up there are awesome! Yeah! Welcome! Okay, anyhow. Let's do it. What's your handshake? What's it hug like this? Or like this? Or like this? Bam! It's totally awesome, isn't it? And you know what else is awesome? Just let's say what? Luke, our brother. Come on down here. Come on down, Luke. Come on. Say hi. Take a seat. And take a seat. Nap time. Nap time. No, it's not nap time, buddy, because we're on taping. And a beautiful dog. Well, you'll see our dog probably sometime. Oops, where's my hat? Rose, come here. And again, my dog's like Evo Rose, so you come here. She was a Robinson. This video is awesome. Keep watching, actually, because it gets even better. Because there's cute puppies. There's cute puppies. Oh, isn't she a little cutie? Okay. She's a poodle. That's a poodle slash snow. And look at my awesome lucky tie. It's awesome. And guess what time it is? Summertime. No, it's gossip time. Did you know that Lindsay Lohan was like, she's like waiting for stealing a fur coat. And guess what? Hannah Montana, as people say, got fired. From Hannah Montana? If you think she got fired, type 1 in comments. And if you think that she didn't, type 2. And if you think that Lindsay Lohan really stole that fur coat, type 3. And if you think she didn't, type 4. We'll be back soon. Love you guys. Bye.